X5Learn, a personalized learning companion at the intersection of artificial intelligence and human-computer interaction. This paper was initially presented at Intelligent User Interfaces Conference and is a joint effort by the UCL Center for Artificial Intelligence and UCL Interaction Center. The work presents an intelligent learning platform that we have been developing under the auspices of X5Gone project in the last few years. Initially, let us familiarize with the X5Gone project. X5Gone project is a Horizon 2020 project that was aimed at leveraging artificial intelligence to discover, enrich, and index all the different open educational resources that are scattered around the world. As seen in the figure, there are various different repositories that have open educational resources that are scattered around the world. The problem is it's very hard to discover all of them in one place. So the X5Gone project was aiming to discover these materials and put them in the same place. X5Learn, the focus of this talk, builds an intelligent user interface or an intelligent learning platform on top of the X5Gone. As you can see from the architecture, we have the X5Gone pipeline that would discover open educational resources and enrich them with artificial intelligence. What X5Learn does is to ingest the metadata of the open educational resources that are discovered by X5Gone and further enrich that using artificial intelligence to provide a seamless and intelligent user interface. So when it comes to X5Learn, who are the users that we are looking at? We are looking at two main groups of users that can use the X5Learn platform to access open educational resources. Those are learners and teachers. There are multiple AI-powered components that make up the X5Learn platform. For example, we have the search option that can be used to retrieve materials from the database. We have a recommendation engine that would personalize materials based on the materials that a user consumes. Then we also allow the option to create a playlist or a collection of open educational materials where AI can be used to optimize the learning path or to resequence these materials in a sensible order. Apart from that, the platform also contains intelligent previews where we would take the informational contents of videos and PDFs and we would associate this content or textual representations of this informational content to Wikipedia topics and allow users to preview the topical materials of different parts of the video to smartly navigate through long materials. On top of that, to give awareness and control to the user with such an intelligent user interface, we also provide an option for the user to learn about the AI technologies themselves that we are using in the X5Learn platform. Without further ado, let us quickly demonstrate the X5Learn platform for you. This is the home screen of X5Learn platform. From here, we can search for materials. For example, let us look for machine learning. The results that are relevant for machine learning will be displayed in the results set. Here, you can have PDFs or videos supporting cross-modality within the platform. And as we mentioned, we use artificial intelligence to understand the topical contents of these materials, and we use intelligent user interface components to display the different topics that are associated or occurring in different parts of the video. We have done further research and have proposed multiple ways of previewing the overarching topics of materials as well. The playlist feature allows us to bundle multiple open educational resources together and make playlists out of it. The optimized learning path function allows us to use artificial intelligence to reorder these materials in a sensible manner. Once you have a good playlist, you can publish it and share it with your peers. Finally, We also have the Unveil the AI button, which can allow the users to understand what artificial intelligence components are used within the interface. For example, we use Wikification to annotate materials, which drives you into a demonstration where you can try it out. For example, we can type a sentence here and see how Wikification works. So what is X5Learn's relevance to reinforcement learning? As you can see, we have created an intelligent learning platform that exposes a lot of opportunities to identify how reinforcement learning can be used to enable human artificial intelligence collaboration. For example, we can allow users to reorder or re-annotate these materials that are presented within the X5Learn platform, which can be used as active feedback from humans to improve an algorithm. Another interesting part is the playlist creation functionality. While the artificial intelligence component allows automatically reordering these materials as the model sees the best learning pathway through this collection, the human still has these controls like move up, move down in order to annotate by human intervention and improve the ordering of these materials. This is where we can see reinforcement learning playing a huge part in terms of extracting this interaction signal and exploiting this signal in a way that the artificial intelligence can improve over time. Another interesting aspect is how this platform uses intelligent search and recommendation models. And there is a huge opportunity for us to utilize a portfolio of information retrieval models at the same time and use reinforcement learning to understand how different users may be best served with different portfolios of these algorithms. Ultimately, we can see a lot of opportunities in using reinforcement learning in order to enable seamless collaborative artificial intelligence through this intelligent user interface. Thank you for listening, and you can see the URL to access X5Learn learning platform. Please feel free to register yourself and explore this learning platform. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.